Hi everyone and welcome back to the Elm Close Garden. In this video I will show you how to take cuttings from lupins. So you can go from a little plant like this to a mature plant just like this one. What you need to do, you need to find a healthy side node or a side shoot with healthy branches and nice green leaves. And this little nodule or node is what we will be using to create the cutting. So as you can see, it's got lots of nice healthy leaves, lots of healthy growth. And this is exactly what you need to hopefully make a successful cutting from your looping plant. What you need to do is grab the node and pull it down until you gently remove it from the stem. And it's as simple as that. So there we go. That is the start of your cutting. So I didn't use cutters. I just used my hands and gently removed the node from the stem. And that there is absolutely perfect. And it's exactly what you need to begin your new cutting. Now we have our node removed from the stem. What we need to do now is give it a little bit of a tidy up. We don't really need the little bits of old branches that are at the bottom of the node. So get a sharp pair of cutters and just remove those pieces just like that. And now you can remove the small leaves from the bottom. You don't need those ones. So that one there can be removed and this other one here can be removed. You probably just need 2 or 3 stems left over with leaves on top. You could probably leave 1, it's entirely up to you. But in this case, I'm going to leave 2, just like that. So that's it all tidied up and it's nearly ready for potting. So just to quickly show you the whole cutting. So there we are, there's the healthy leaves on the top, 2 stems, and there's the node at the bottom, which will hopefully create nice roots and mature into a nice new lupin plant. So find yourself a pot. This sort of size is just perfect. It's good for 1 cutting. You don't really want to put any more cuttings in this size pot. So this size pot for 1 cutting like this is just right. So fill your pot with some nice compost. Make sure it's good quality compost. Make sure it's damp before you make the hole. So I just use my finger to make the hole about halfway down. Get your cutting, place it in the hole, firm around the cutting, make sure it's nicely in place. And there you go. It's as simple as that. Make sure you give it a good water and keep it somewhere out of direct sunlight. Make sure it's always damp, never let it dry out. And then that should be a nice, healthy cutting that should produce good roots and a nice, healthy new lupin plant for your garden next spring. So that's it. It's very simple and easy to grow lupins from cuttings. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you did. And stay tuned for more updates from the Elm Close Garden. Thanks very much. Cheers.